Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, also known as My Injury Guy, shooting you a new video. And today, the topic of today's video is, when is the best time to talk to a workers' comp lawyer about my work injury case? And so, I've noticed a pattern with my clients. A lot of my clients, it's a situation where more or less people will call me once the case is advanced. I would say like 50% of my clients call me early on, right after the injury occurs, and they're starting to feel weird things going on at work. And then probably 50% of people call me with a question or looking for representation in a work accident situation after the S has already hit the fan, okay? What do I mean by that? Well, their benefits have been cut off. They're being told they have to go back to work when they're not ready to go back to work. Their doctor won't give them medical care because the company has stopped pre-approving the medical care. They've been terminated for a BS reason, things like that. Then they're completely out of money because they've had no money coming in for 2, 3, 4, 5 months before they even call me. And then they call me and they want me to fix it for them immediately. So really, we live in an era now, and right now, the economy is pretty rough. The economy's worse than people are even saying on the news, based on the people I've talked to and what I see out in the real world. The economy's tough, and insurance companies are not throwing away money for free, and employers and workers' comp insurance, they want to fight the cases and reduce what they pay. And the way they do that is by taking the money away from the injured person. So in this economy, honestly, this day and age, you gotta talk to a lawyer. You gotta talk to a good lawyer who communicates with you, who's been around the block, knows what's going on. I know it'll be tempting to call the guy with the most billboards and the most TV ads, but I've got other videos about my opinions on that. The Reader's Digest is, the guy on the billboard is not the guy who's ever going to know your name or ever touch your case, right? Better off actually working with a lawyer who will call you back, who'll talk to you, and works on the cases, knows how to get you what you need, right? And also can tell you right at the beginning what's reasonable to expect and what's not reasonable to expect. When somebody with the workers' comp case calls me, when they're behind the 8 ball, I ask them a lot of questions, and I'm honest with them, I had a lady who got frustrated because they were not accommodating her restriction and then just walked out of work. Didn't say anything to anybody. They were asking her to do things that she couldn't do. She was unrepresented at the time, walked out of work, hasn't been back to work for 2 months, and they fired her. So if you watch some of my other videos, you know that the only time you're really entitled to be out of work is if you have a doctor's note saying that you're unable to work due to the work-related injuries. Without a doctor's note, they don't have to pay you TTD, and without a doctor's note, they can fire you for cause if you're not going to work. Now, in this lady's case, there was a happy ending. We're able to do, a really nice job for her, and we actually got her job back. And then right after she went, she found a better job. I think she was pretty fed up with the employer at that point. But my point is, you can't always fix them. And I tell people honestly right at the beginning what their chances are and what I think we can do for them and what I don't think we can do for them. So anyway, look, the Reader's Digest is, the best time to call a lawyer is before the crap hits the fan, right? Once the crap hits the fan, the other side is in a pure war footing. They want a battle. And it's going to take me time to push them off that footing and try and get them to be more cooperative. Sometimes we can do it, sometimes we can't do it. But what I can sometimes do is fix a problem for you that even I didn't think I could fix. But oftentimes that's not the case. Oftentimes it's if you hire me after everything has gone completely haywire, it's a problem. I prefer it when people call me right after the injury or the minute things seem fishy at work. They start treating you different. You're getting aggressive phone calls from your boss or somebody in HR. I'm a big believer in your intuition. When you feel like things are going the wrong way at work and they're about to work you over, chances are that's true. If you're feeling that way, probably your feelings are correct. So that's when I tell people, even if you're not into the concept of talking to an injury lawyer or a workers' comp lawyer, at your first inkling that this is going to turn into a problem, that's the second best time. The first best time, call a lawyer right after you get hurt at work. Or really, it applies to any kind of injury case. Second best time is the minute you're starting to feel like they're treating you like a jerk, they're messing you around. That means they're painting you into a corner. They're pushing you into a corner, and you need a lawyer to help you maneuver things and make sure your rights are protected. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate you. Please watch till the end. I have some killer offers and tools for injured people that are 100% free to use, and I talk to them about them at the end of the video. So keep watching till the end. Thanks a lot. Take care. Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire, so I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.